Hey guys, I'm Kay and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be creating a makeup look with the ColourPop x Shayla's collaboration, the Perception palette. I am not going to do any swatches on this palette today. I did a couple of swatches in my last video and I will link it above if you'd like to see the swatches. But this is a 16 eyeshadow palette. You get 4 mattes and the rest are shimmer shades. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for today's eye look, but I am just going to get my creative juices flowing and come out with something creative. I'm sure I'll be successful because it's a wonderful palette. So with that being said, let's get into this video. To get started, I'm going to take this blending brush by Morphe, going right here into Culture, and put this all over my lid. Next, I am going to take Revenge and put that right in the crease. I'm going to take Played Out and pop that in the outer corner. Smaller brush. I'm going to take this flat brush and spray it with a little bit of Fix Plus. Go into IE, put that on the right here on the middle of my lid. Going just above the crease of my eye. A little bit of that on once I have the actual area that I want it to be in. Pack that color on. Go right into Sassy and pack that right here on the inner corner. Back in with a smaller shader brush, tapered shader brush, and go back into Played Out. Kind of darken up the corner again. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and blend out all those harsh edges. Take this pencil brush and I'm going to go ahead and go into the same colors that I put on the top of my eye. So I'm going to start with Revenge. And go ahead and pop that on the bottom lash line. I got a little fallout here. But that is okay. And I'm gonna take it all the way in. Run that all the way across. Then I'm going to go into Played Out. And I'm not gonna go all the way. Played Out, we're just gonna go closer to the lash line. And not quite all the way, just kind of deepen up that look. Now it looked like my Revenge disappeared. I'm gonna take that out just a little bit further. There we go. I'm gonna take this flat brush right here, and I am gonna go back into Sassy. This color right here. Your camera dies on ya. So I'm going back into Sassy and putting that exactly where I put Played Out. Okay guys, I had to do my eyeliner off camera. I don't know about anybody else, but I suffer from fat eyelid syndrome. And so when I'm trying to put my eyeliner on, my eyes, the skin just bunches up and I have to stretch it out so that I can try to get a smooth line, and it is just not a pretty picture. So I went ahead and did that off camera, and then while I was at it, I went ahead and popped ColourPop Swerve in my waterline. And I've showed this before, but this is what the ColourPop eyeliner looks like. It's just a nice black. Love this mascara, the Colossal Big Shot in the blackest black. I love, absolutely love, love, love this mascara. It defines, it lengthens my eyelashes. I'm not into falsies. It may be something I get into in the future, but for right now, this does the trick. It brings my eyelashes alive and gives me the look that I'm looking for. Okay guys, this is my final look, and this palette was everything that I thought it would be. The shadows are beautiful, they're easy to blend. It has sold out twice on the ColourPop website, and I believe they have restocked it for a third time. If you're wanting this palette, you better run and get it fast before it sells out again. That could probably tell you a little bit about how everyone else is loving this palette as well. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Give a big thumbs up if you like this look, and comment down below and let me know how you liked it as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you be a part of my little YouTube family. I will be uploading weekly. And I think my next video is going to be the Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale haul. I purchased lots of candles, and that is going to be my next video, so don't miss it. Subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.